Today I am reviewing Acer Chromebook Plus 515. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Acer Chromebook Plus 515 is a laptop designed for productivity, creativity, and modern lifestyle needs. With its 15.6-inch Full HD IPS touch display, powerful Intel Core i3-1305U processor, 8GB LPDDR5X memory, and 256GB SSD storage, it combines performance, versatility, and style into one sleek package. What stands out immediately is its large, vibrant touchscreen display. At 1920 by 1080 resolution, colors are sharp and details are crisp, offering an immersive experience whether you're watching videos, editing documents, or browsing online. The touchscreen functionality adds a layer of convenience that makes navigation intuitive, especially for those who like to interact with their device directly. Performance is a key strength of this Chromebook. Powered by the 13th generation Intel Core i3 processor, it offers impressive speed for multitasking. Switching between apps, editing spreadsheets, streaming videos, or running multiple browser tabs is smooth and responsive. With 8GB of LPDDR5X RAM, this laptop handles modern workflows without noticeable lag. The 256GB PCIe Gen 4 SSD ensures quick boot times, faster app loading, and enough space for essential files and applications. For those who rely heavily on cloud storage, Chrome OS integrates seamlessly with Google Drive, offering a fluid cloud-based experience. One of the most exciting features of this Chromebook is its integration with Google AI and Gemini. For a year, buyers gain access to Google AI Pro, which includes Notebook LM and other productivity tools. These tools can convert handwriting to editable text, summarize content, remove photo distractions, and answer questions instantly. This AI integration elevates productivity to the next level, making this Chromebook not just a laptop, but a smart companion for your digital life. Connectivity is modern and versatile. The Chromebook offers Wi-Fi 6E, ensuring fast and stable connections, even in crowded networks. Bluetooth 5.1 lets you connect peripherals effortlessly, while USB-C, USB 3.2, and HDMI ports provide flexible options for external displays and devices. Two USB-C ports allow charging and data transfer, making it a convenient option for multitaskers. The Acer Chromebook Plus 515 is also built for mobility. Weighing around 3.7 pounds and measuring under an inch thick, it is easy to carry between classes, work, or travel. Its battery life of up to 10 hours means you can work all day without searching for a charger. Security and privacy are vital in today's digital world, and the Chromebook delivers with Titan C2 security, ensuring your data remains safe. Chrome OS is designed to be secure by design, with automatic updates and built-in protections against malware, so you don't have to worry about viruses. For creators, students, and professionals alike, this Chromebook delivers a lot of value. It supports advanced apps such as Microsoft 365, Adobe Photoshop, and video editing tools like LumaFusion. Gamers can also take advantage of GeForce Now, streaming games without the need for powerful dedicated hardware. The Chromebook Plus 515 also features a comfortable keyboard and an HD webcam optimized for video calls. Acer's TNR technology ensures clear video even in low light, while purified voice with AI noise reduction guarantees crisp, clear audio during meetings or calls. To sum it up, the Acer Chromebook Plus 515 is more than just a laptop. It's a powerful, secure, and AI-enhanced productivity tool. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone who wants a reliable, long-lasting device, this Chromebook offers a combination of performance, portability, and innovative features that make it a top choice in its category. If you're looking for a versatile laptop that blends power with simplicity, the Acer Chromebook Plus 515 delivers exactly that. From productivity to entertainment, this Chromebook is built to handle it all while keeping your digital life secure and efficient.